Many people believe that it's a flat system. In fact, the sun carries 8 planets. It goes in a spiral, and they're traveling at 220 kilometers per second. At this speed, travel a distance of it takes about 1,300. It can be said that the sun 8 planets are following. Then scientists, how do we know the speed of the sun? The velocities of other stars as is it the same as the sun? Today, we will learn the sun's unique path through the galaxy. As early as the German astronomer Johannes Kepler, according to the observational data of his predecessor, summarized the laws of operation of the 8 planets and proposed 3 laws of planetary. These 3 laws are the law of orbit, area law, and period law. Kepler observational studied all planets on elliptical orbits of different sizes. Sun located at a focal point of these elliptical the distance between the planet and it's constantly changing during at the same time. The planetary image is in the areas swept are equal, and the square of the orbital period is proportional to the cube of his distance from the sun. This shows that the closer a planet is to the sun, the shorter the orbital period around, the farther away the planet, the revolution speed, the longer the revolution time. Kepler's 3 laws. Let's understand the orbital shape of the planets in the running speed and running cycle. By 1927, Dutch astronomer Olt, by the motion of other celestial bodies in the conduct observation and indirectly calculate the speed of the sun. This is human history. The first detection of the sun orbiting, it rotates at speeds up to 220 kilometers. Circle the Milky Way once. It takes a long 250 million. The sun is now 4.60 billion. Orbited the Milky Way about 19. But there are 200 billion stars in the orbits of other stars around the sun. Is it the same as the sun? And the answer is no. Scientists use spectroscopic analysis to measure the vicinity of the mirror velocities of that every star in the galaxy has its own speed. For example, Sirius is 8.6 light. He's also orbiting the center of the galaxy. It runs at about 250 kilometers per second, faster than the sun. And distance from the Barnard star is only 6 speed around the center of the galaxy, about 106.8 kilometers, much slower than the sun. And scientists Barnard star is approaching the sun. Around 10,000 will become the closest star to the sun. In fact, every star in the galaxy are running at high speed. So we know the sun is not static. He is leading the 8 planets, traveling through space at high speed. Just because humans are looking at these stars, we just don't notice it. By observing the sun, the trajectories of other stars, the solar system doesn't just spiral forward in the galaxy, and it will be on the plane of the interspersed, and the sun is also subject to attractive, uneven impact, which creates vibrations that are perpendicular. That is to the motion of the solar system in the galaxy. It's wavy. Approximately every 20 will vibrate up and down the galactic. The sun is currently in the galactic disk above the surface. In the future, it will move below the disk of the Milky Way. Scientists have analyzed the past 200 fossil record discoveries as the solar system moves through the galaxy. Could affect the evolution of life on Earth. They're called periodic mass extinctions. As said that because the study found about every 26 million, there will be a major extinction event. As the sun moves through the galaxy, it may interact with other star systems and the solar system is in the you're going to get a terrifying supernova. The great danger posed by celestial collisions. That's what we know about the solar system. Trajectories in the Milky Way.